thank you so much to all the subscribers, all the patrons, all the channel members, because we have had a delivery that has been paid for by you.
Yeah, this is all paid for via ad revenue or Patreon membership or channel membership. And this is brilliant. This is so cool.
We're going to open it with you.
Yeah,
and we're going to have a look what we've
what we got for this car.
New part day.
New parts day.
New part day, right. You ready? Do you want a kneel pad?
No, I'm okay.
You okay? Okay. Hello, Rusty. You come to us?
Dog wants some surgery.
There you go. I'm hoping everything's okay because the box has arrived.
Yeah, the box has arrived in the worst state I've ever seen an auto dog box arrive in.
Yeah, we've had some arrivings. But let her go.
I haven't been talking a bit of that.
Yeah, it's not finished yet.
Yeah, can I have it? Happy?
Got it?
Yeah.
There we go. Let's have a look what we got.
We got paper!
That's the dog's bit.
Happy.
Ooh, look what we have.
What are these things?
Right then, Laura, well, what are these?
I have no clue because I just forgot.
Dust covers and bump stops. And bump stops.
These things, rod strut stabilizer.
Rod strut stabilizers.
No, I seriously don't know what they are.
These are the stabilizer, rod strut stabilizer.
Drop link things?
Drop links, I think, yeah.
Let's have a look. What's the quality like?
Let's have a look at it. Ooh, they're black. That's quite nice, actually. Look at that.
Not bad at all.
Very nice.
I tell you what, I'm really impressed that you can order Volvo 240 parts off AutoDog.
I'm amazed. And everything we want.
Everything,
come off
really.
of there.
These look like trombone bits.
These are trombone bits.
Volvo trombone.
Look,
Volvo
look, that's like
trombones.
the slide. That was
You can
completely
use
the
them
wrong
to
way.
slide though, can't you, Lou?
You can use them to slide. They're handbrake cables. So a pair of lovely handbrake cables.
Boxes.
These are
Box.
bushings or they not bushings? I have to open one to find out because it's all in Germany.
It is in German.
These are track rod ends.
Oh, track rod ends.
Wait, hold on, let's see what it says.
Interesting
track rod
fact. Interesting fact on there, Laura. Laura, interesting fact. You see the box? Who makes that part?
SKF.
SKF. And do you know what the significance of SKF is?
No, I do not.
SKF was a bearing company that Volvo was born from.
Yes.
Nice.
The company that made Volvo used to make ball bearings.
Basically Volvo parts.
Basically Volvo
And
parts.
the true name of this is Sputstangakopf.
Butskandikov.
Butskandikov.
There we go.
Butskandikov.
We got swag.
Got some swag.
What are these bits?
Swag.
Bottom control arm bush.
Yay. See the quality of that.
It says
have a
swag
look.
all over the box. That's all it says.
Swag.
Wait, hold on.
That is...
Quickland
The
Lager.
bush that goes in the axle.
Yeah. That looks
So,
alright.
Yeah, it's got a directional arrow.
Quickland Lager.
Quickland log.
Yuck. You find that funny, do you?
Yeah.
So that's good.
That's good.
That's really good because I was cleaning the axle up and I pressed out the old bush and the centre came out.
Definite
Super
swag.
easy.
Yeah, yeah.
So
SKF.
More SKF stuff.
those
Oh,
are
this one's open. I can just get this off. You can see it then.
bottom ball joints.
Bottom ball
God, that's
joints.
really heavy.
Goes on there.
Oh, look, it comes with some
More
sort of screwdriver.
SKF parts. I tend to buy SKF parts because I know they make really good quality bearings.
Really good quality.
Yeah, so SKF parts must be good quality as they follow on from bearings.
They look like mini screwdrivers. Well, not mini.
It's a brand I feel you can trust.
This one's open as well.
These are inner track rod ends.
Oh yeah, to the steering
to the
rack.
steering
Sorry,
rack.
just sneezing.
You don't need to. Well, you do need to.
What is this?
Inner track rod
Oh.
end. Just said that to my just.
Look, it's got some sort of jelly.
She's
on
not listening to
Jelly.
you. Gel?
it. Does it taste like lemon?
It's not jelly.
Oh.
It's grease.
Look got these bad boys.
These are
Heavy.
replacement shoulders.
Oh, look, it looks like a face there. Look. Nice.
Oh yes, there is a face on it.
I'm sorry. No, it's not.
Front control arms with all the bushes in,
Ready to go.
ready to rock.
They look nothing
Awesome.
like arms. They do kind of. It's just very
They look
bent.
like
car
They're
arms.
thick metal, good quality, and the bushes are solid.
Who makes them? Febby.
These are Febby, Bilstein Febby, so
Good
good
Then
quality.
quality.
we got
That's it.
paper.
The box is done. But,
So,
Yeah, once again,
Again,
thank you so
huge
much.
thank you to you guys supporting us and buying our car parts for us.
Yes.
If you could just take that to the next level so you could buy our cars for us.
If only, eh?
We will do a breakdown on how much this undercarriage restoration has cost us on this car. I think it'd be very interesting
It will be
because
interesting.
it spiraled massively out of control.
It wasn't just a couple of bushes in the end, was
It
it?
wasn't just a couple of bushes and an easy diff change. So much of it was
Stuff you
an
weren't
MOT
expecting.
failure. So
It
much
would
of it
have
was
been
MOT
MOT
failure. How it kept getting green MOTs. I think the previous owners must have been putting £50 notes over the MOT man's eyes.
Oh, I mean, you expect these things with a car this age, you know, bushes deteriorate and things get loose. So the complete underneath of this car is going to be tip-top A1.
Sure, it's going
It's
to
gonna
be
be
like a
perfect.
replacement car. It's going to be like a new car.
It is going to be like a new car.
And it's
But
like a new car on top. It's had a bare metal
it's a new
repaint,
car.
so
It's a new Volvo 240.
basically.
Oh, you daft dog. Right then, we're going to carry on. 'cause
Carrying on with the show.
Yeah, we're going to carry
Hey,
on.
let's get back to the studio.
Get on with it. Let's go.
See ya.